Very well maintained 4-bed 2-bath rancher located close to the bike path and Blue Ribbon schools. The seller has lived in the home for more than 30 years. There is a nice-sized living room, attic, and a large laundry room. There are 3 beds and 1 full bath to one side of the house and a 4th bed and full bath by itself for added privacy. This could be the perfect setup for extended family, an in-law suite or playroom. There is electric heat and an air conditioner window unit in this location. Recent updates include a new roof and a HWH installed in September 2020. Outside features include a front porch, oversized deck in the back and a shed. 1 bed is currently used as an office. The seller does work from home and will try to leave during the showing, but this may not always be possible. Though the house is in good condition, the seller is selling it as is. The buyer will be responsible for any and all inspections and certifications.